Did you ever notice how silence still feels crowded?
Is it crowded or are we just finally listening?
Why do you stay when I tell you to go? If I leave now, who decides what the sign meant?
Do signs disappear when no one agrees on them?
Do you think agreement is what gives meaning? Isn't meaning already there before we touch it?
Why do people pull it apart when it's whole?
Are they pulling it apart or pulling themselves apart?
And what happens when the heart is told to stay quiet? 12.
Who benefits when a person is split in two?
Look, a second shooting star. It's brighter.
Is that why being told what to feel hurts more than being wrong?
Isn't it strange how care can feel like control? Do you know the difference when it's happening to you?
Why does certainty arrive so loudly?
Because doubt doesn't shout, does it?
Is that why people mistake force for truth? If everyone is different, why does the same wound keep appearing?
Could it be because the surface changes but the center doesn't?
Is that what you mean when you say fundamentally? Isn't it dangerous to forget that word?
Or is it dangerous to pretend we remember it?
Do you think people are broken or interrupted? What if nothing is missing, just misdirected?
What if telling people what to love makes them forget how?
Some things gain power from being left unsaid.
Is that why naming it outright never works?
Because once it's named, doesn't it get chased instead of lived?
And when it's chased, doesn't it turn into pressure?
So why didn't you leave when I warned you? If everyone deserves to feel heard, who was I to walk away?
Isn't staying sometimes the bravest quiet thing?
Do you know how rare that answer is? Does rarity make it less true?
Or does it just mean it needs protecting?
Then will you stay without trying to own it?